So, have you ever looked at some fabrics or patterns and gone, wow, where is that fabric from? Where is that pattern from? Where can I get it from? It looks so expensive. Well, today I'm going to be talking about a fabric called toile and the pattern that's on it, and also where you can get it from at a really affordable price. And I'm going to give some suggestions. G'day. For those of you who don't know me, my name's Aussie Tobes, and I actually am an Australian interior designer. You can tell by the accent. I'm certified. So today we're going to be talking about toile, I should say. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. We're filming from our master bedroom. This is a lovely Australian landscape that was painted for us, and it's beautiful, lovely embroidered chair. We're not doing those today. We'll be talking about toile. What is toile? Throughout the video, I will show you lots and lots of examples of toile, and you'll be like, oh, okay, I've seen that before, or that's so cool. And it looks good. I think it looks good. If you want to make your house look a little bit sort of fancy, a bit elegant, you can get toile from various places. And there was one really easy way of acquiring toile if you don't have a big budget. And I'm going to tell you how to do that today. So, what is toile? Toile is a fabric that originated in the mid 1700s. Now, as you can tell by the name toile, it's French, which basically means cloth or canvas. And it originated from a town or a city in, I think it's near Versailles, called Jouy, Jouy on Jona, Jouy on Jassas. I can't pronounce it properly, so my French isn't very good. Toile is also known as toile de Jouy or Jouy print, French toile, or just toile by itself. So you'll hear these words kind of get thrown around. The most common pattern on toile is usually a white background, and then in one of the colours of either black, red, or blue, there is scenery drawn onto it. However, you can also see flora, fauna, hunting, daily life in farms. I think it's a really fascinating fabric, and it just makes your house look and feel a bit more, a bit expensive, a bit fancy. One of my best hacks for acquiring toile. Some people say, "Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. Where can I get it from?" I don't want to spend a fortune. Got some toile here. I bought this toile from IKEA. So, in one of my other episodes, I've actually filmed a bit in my son's bedroom, and he has a duvet cover, or we call them doona covers in Australia, and it's basically French toile, or it's toile. And I can tell you this was a queen size doona cover, and it did not cost a fortune at all from IKEA, and it looks so good. I've pulled it up for you so you can have a look. So as you can see, look, there's a bit of a scenery there. There's like arches. You would know this. You have seen this everywhere. But this one's a slightly different version to the normal toile, inverted commas, normal toile. And I'll tell you why. The reason why this one's different is I can tell that IKEA has just hired some random artist or graphic designer, and it looks like they've sort of hand drawn it themselves, and it's a bit more from a distance. It looks pretty cool, but up close, it's actually like you can tell someone's like hand drawn it. Like really, it's not as fancy as the fancy stuff, but who cares? From a distance, it looks bloody fantastic. My recommendation is if you're starting to step into toile, my recommendation is always go white to... Oh, I've got a helper here today. That's my son Songjin. He's going to help me today. Do you want to help me?
Let the computer play Minecraft.
Yeah, maybe a bit later, mate. Yep. That's so cool. Anyway, bye. Very cute. This is what it looks like. I think it looks really cool. As a bedspread, this looks expensive. And with the matching pillow covers as well. And why wouldn't you want to have scenery on your bed? It looks great. If you ever want to make your room look expensive, scenery is the way to go. It's a really quick, cheap way to make your house look expensive. And if you want to make your house look a bit old world with old charm and you don't want to spend a fortune on it, this toile from IKEA is very, very good. However, you can get toile, not from IKEA, but you can get toile from fabric shops, which is, different colors and stuff. But here's something for you with fabric shops. A lot of fabric shops actually don't sell toile, believe it or not, because it's like it's a designer's fabric. There are some fabric shops that do exist. If you type in something like French fabric shop or French fabric upholsterers or something to do with French fabrics, you will just go, oh, okay. They will charge you a bit of money. People have been trying to get their hands on toile in the cheapest possible way, most possible, and they can't. They struggle. Everyone struggles trying to find toile. And my recommendations of toile, of where to put it, if you do get your hands on it, is put it on sofas, on occasional armchairs. Put it on a really, really affordable way of doing it is put it on lampshades. If you go on Etsy or eBay and you type in toile lampshades, there are a whole bunch of people who do it there, and they're people trying to outprice each other and do it at a cheaper price than the next person. And I would strongly suggest look there. They've got some great stuff. So, but like I said, it's a great fabric. It looks great. Now you know what it is. Toile de Jouy print, French toile. Now you know what it is. Now you know what to ask for. So I hope I've helped you there. If you like the content, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.